All right, folks. So is Message Money Machine a scam or not? Let's take a look. So make up to 1,000K every day automatically sending random messages. Okay, wow, that sounds exciting. But first of all, as I review lots of these things, I start to notice these fake reviews, these fake testimonials, like this girl right here. Is a hired person from Fiverr giving a fake testimonial for this product. As you can see, that's the girl right there. You can even see the dresser in the background, the lamp and everything, and dresser in the background. Lamp's a little different in this one, but there you go. So fake reviews, and let's check out another fake review. All right, so here we go. The next fake actor, fake testimonial. And by the way, the girl before, if you watched the video, she said she made $50,000 a month. I mean, come on now. So the next guy up here, we have another Fiverr actor. You know, different shirt, little different haircut maybe, but the same guy. You can hire him to make fake testimonial videos for you. And that's what they did. So obviously, there's no trust in any of these. And I'll show you the next girl right here. Another actor. I didn't show her in the video yet. Another girl you could hire on Fiverr. Okay, we'll get to her in a second, but it's also interesting to note that they say if you're someone that likes high quality video presentations, selling fake promises, someone using fake testimonial videos that they bought on Fiverr, and this is what they're saying. So stay away from this stuff. All right, and here's Megan Elizabeth from Erie, Pennsylvania. Again, our other Fiverr girl here from Fiverr. So yeah, I don't know why these people, you know, they hire these fake testimonials so they could get this nonsense for their products, but obviously it's so fake. So anyways, let's check out a real money-making opportunity. And just another note here, the Megan Elizabeth, this girl, it's pretty funny because they have another girl in the video that comes up doing a testimonial and has the same name as Megan Elizabeth from Erie, Pennsylvania, come up on the screen. It's kind of funny if you catch that when you watch the video. And also, they actually give you the disclaimer here that the guy speaking in the video, Len Case, is an abbreviated pen name, which is another red flag. Why do these people got to hide who they are? I mean, for privacy purposes, really? I mean, whatever. All right, so if you want to unlock the secrets of profit-making websites today and start making legitimate money, check out my website here in the link in the description below. And there's an article here called 101 Reasons Why to Get a Free Wealthy Affiliate Starter Account Today. Look inside Wealthy Affiliate. This is a platform that I use and thousands of others use, hundreds of thousands use. It's zero risk because there's no credit card needed to sign up. You get a free account and you're good to go. Let's take it some of the reasons here. 100% free, no cost to you. No credit card needed to sign up. It's not a free membership. It's not a free membership. It is a free membership, not a trial. So you can keep your free membership as long as it takes you to do until you want to upgrade to premium. If you don't want to upgrade to premium, that's fine. Again, no credit card needed. So there's absolutely no risk. 100% world-class free training and plus premium training if you sign up for the premium account. A large community of people that are helpful. The owners as well. And you have direct contact to me if you sign up with my link, because I'll send you a message as soon as you sign up. And the owners, you can contact the owners as well and ask them questions. I talk to them all the time, which is highly, kind of rare in this space where you get that one-on-one with the owners of the platform. And they've been around for over, I think, 12 years now, this company. There's just a lot of stuff. So check it out. Here's real testimonials. These are actually members of the site. You could go on to there and you can see them on there. These are not Fiverr fake reviews like all these other stupid, not all of them, but a lot of these fake ones you see on the internet and stuff like that. Plus, they're always updating stuff within Wealthy Affiliate. This is my latest, my oldest updates from 2017, 2018. But they're always adding stuff. There's no extra cost to that. When it comes out, you just get it for free with your membership. So that's really cool. Again, once you're on the website, you can see the real testimonials from people and stuff like that, and how everything works. Like, see, here's some feedback. These are real members, not fake testimonials. It's just pretty crazy. Once you're inside, there's so much stuff. I can't really go into it all here. But sign up, check it out in the link in the video below. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.